Good morning, everyone, and thank you, Vijay. Good morning to everyone. Everyone knows me, but still, let me introduce myself. I'm Rajan, joined this business 12 years back. So let's go to this presentation of why we have to choose network marketing as our career. And in network marketing, why we have to choose Vestige. And why we have to choose Vestige is going to be the main topic today, because Vestige is now a company which no other company can be near us. That we should all understand. That is the most important thing that's required. And first, let's go to the presentation. We all in our life, we all dream big, and we all want good education for our children. We need diamond and gold jewelry. We need world travel, and we need beautiful lifestyle. Not only cars, the way we live, where we go, how we dress. So many things are connected to it, and a beautiful home. And these were all our dreams when we were school days. But now the dreams word even does not enchant us. What we have been taught is to shrink our dreams to match our income, not to increase our income to match our dreams. What we have been told is to shrink our dreams to match our income. That's what people live a contented life. That's what people have told us. But friends, if you see outside world, anything that is living today is it is living, then it is growing. Same way as a human being, we also should grow in life. And here is the only place what we say is you can grow, you can dream, you can increase your income to match your dreams. And in life, as a man, everybody wants all these things. As I said, and as a human being, every one of us need extra income. We need financial freedom, that we should not bother about money, and we should be our own boss. It's not that we should be employed at another person. Everybody needs that, and everybody needs to have more spare time to spend time with their family, their children, their for spiritual time, and they want to travel the world, see the exotic places. And very important is to untap the true potential of our children. Today, everyone who has been born in this world is born with a unique potential, because if you can analyze part by part of your body, everything is unique. Your fingerprint is unique. Your eyebrows, your things are unique. Everything, your smell that is coming out of your body is unique. The tone that you have is unique. Everything is unique. When everything is unique, then you should also have a potential that is unique, which nobody has. But nobody knows what is that potential. We don't know, because we have been, once we are born, up to the age of 5, we are being going, we will ask to go to dance class, so many things. But after some, when we go to 5th standard, 8th standard, then everything comes into studies. You want to play, you want to do some drawing, you want to do some beautiful artist. People, your parents will not allow us. They will only say study is very important. We'll say that I want to become a big artist. People will say you can't become everybody cannot become Ladivan Vansi, or anybody cannot become Ravi Verma, or you want to play cricket and you want to become a champion. People will say everybody cannot become Sachin Tendulkar. But friends, if money is going to come in a perennial way, that means that will not stop, and you don't have any fear about money coming, then what you will do? You will not compel your child to go in for studies. You will only say whatever you want, you can do. At that point, the real potential will come out, friends. And once the real potential comes out, that child will excel in his field and will become a greatest person in this world. We have all missed it, friends. And everybody wants personality development, and we want everybody, not only that we have to grow, we want help others also, and we want to have beautiful social circle, and we want to have enjoy a new early retirement, and we want to have a security for the family, rock solid security, and we want to leave a legacy. No, just see, you can't go beyond your grandfather. Maybe for somebody may go beyond up to a level of great grandfather, not beyond that. You don't know what is their name, whereabouts, nothing you don't know. But if you can leave a perennial flow of money to your family and generations, your name will never be forgotten, my friends. That's what is leaving legacy. And every human being needs all these things. Now imagine, just ask within yourself, is any business or any job will give you at least any one of this 100%. But when you are in a place when all these things can be given at 100%, how you can neglect it? That is my humble question, friends. That's why I'm so passionate about it. And the time that is available is very, very less, friends. It's only this much. Now we have been told this much, and now the time remaining is so much. So you can't waste your seconds. Be focused. But it's only some little time, maybe 3 years, 4 years down the line, the life would give a sea change, which can be unimaginable and undreamable and even unbelievable. It's possible. And every one of us in this world wants peace. And this peace comes when you only have your health and your relationships are good, and for which every one of us require money. 99% of the problems is for money. And if you have to earn money, there are only ways of becoming an employee or a self-employee or a small business or a big business or investments. Is there any other way to earn money? And now let me go step by step. Employee, you need educational qualifications, you need skill, you need experience. And for educational qualification, you need money, you need time. And for skill, you need time and money. And for experience, you need time. Still, after becoming employee, are you successful? Just think. Again, your children have to run the relay race, and their children have to run the relay race of 40 years. And if you're a self-employed professionals, and even small business people, self-employed, again, educational qualifications required, again, skill is required, again, experience is required for educational qualifications and for small business. And for educational qualifications, you need money and time. For skill, you need time and money. For experience, you need time. And if you have to start business, then you have to have some small investment. And you should also have the skill to run the business. Then you should also have a mental capacity to withstand risk. Then only you become a self-employee. And of all the 100% of business that is being started, 90% go away within 1 year. That is what the statistics say. This is a hard fact, and everybody knows it. And let us not again go wipe it. This all we don't need to see. And the employment is not available today because of the so many other things, and added to it, adding fuel to the fire, the COVID thing. And there's nothing security today. And now in Indian government has enacted a law that even big corporations need not have employees. They can recruit people on contract basis, Then where is security? And even if you earn a 50,000 rupees, which you say is a lucrative income, then it becomes gross income is 6 lakhs. And if you could put a budget, you can't even save 1,000 rupees. And in this budget, I have left out the major expense that everybody meets, that is the medical expense. This is how the life is, friends. Even after spending so much time, the energy to have a degree and all these things, again, life has not changed. Just think, friends, generations to generations, we have been toiling hard, but our life has not changed. That it just means that there is something flaw. The entire system. Taking you further, for business systems, this is huge investment. That is a big corporations, I'm saying. And they should have infrastructure, and they should have robust systems. And for huge investment, it has to come from small business. And small business, as I said, 100 small businesses opening today, in 1 year, 95% of them are closing down. That is the statistics. The remaining 80% closed down in another 3-4 years. There is only 5% that goes on. The risk factor is 95%. Risk factor is not 5% or 10% or 50%. The risk factor is 95%. And The other thing is the technological development that is taking place. Then if you can look into all those things, the only thing that is available today, see, there are only three ways. What is the C-type corporations, big corporations, or become a franchisor, not franchisee. Franchisee is a employee who has done investment. Please understand, franchisees are not good. Franchisees are employees who have given investment. You should be a franchisor. You should be the owner of the McDonald's. You should be owner of the KFC. You should be owner of the Subway, like that. That is what is. But people misunderstand as franchise, and they go invest 5 lakhs, 6 lakhs, 30 lakhs, 40 lakhs, and they log as an employee. They have to give royalty. And all said and done, the balance is network marketing. And in big business, you know, the technological development that is taking place. Anything that is good today, within 6 months, it becomes obsolete. You can take so many things. You can take photography. You can take the camera now. Today, cameras have gone out. Big companies like Nikon have closed down. Few years back, Kodak closed down. Konica closed down, which was a thriving business few years back. And after the digital world, everything is good. So many things are happening, friends. And what you do today within 6 months is going to be upset. Again, you have to take a venture into new thing. That means venturing new thing means again putting capital. Please understand. And that is left with us is network marketing, friends. In network marketing, the startup is very less, and you are not going to pay. Company pays you. There are no employees. It's an home-based things. You can set your own time and your limits. See, I'm sitting in Chennai. I have network in Bangladesh. I have a network in Saudi. I have a network in Bahrain. I have a network in Dubai. I am having a network in Ghana now. All these things are happening. And everybody is into credit trap and other things. As I said, technological development and the fastness with that technology moves. See, phone was invented long ago. But to reach 30%, it took 40 years. But internet to reach 30%, it just took 3 years, 4 years. That is the speed today. Please try to understand. Anything that is getting invented reaches people very quickly. The world has become very, very small. This is the growth speed. And it's all because all stress is because of too little time and too little money. Because we trade time for money. And everybody, if there are 100 people, 90% I can say at the night, mid of the night, maybe at 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock in the morning, wake up, sit in the bed, thinking about, brooding about what to do the next day, when the check comes. Everybody is having it. And there's a better way, friends. It's all because reciprocal income, trading time for money. You do the wrong decisions for wrong reasons. The solution is residual income. You create result once and get paid for on and on and on. You should cut all connection between money and time, and that is only network marketing. And these things you all know, because I want to take more time on why Vestige. So network marketing, we now are zeroing on our career into network marketing, where there is no investment and there are people here to teach you, and the success that you are going to get is something phenomenal, unimaginable. And today, fortune network marketing, you don't need any educational qualification, you don't need any money, you don't need any skill. Everything your team will give you. What is required is the burning desire to succeed and an attitude of coachability. teachability. Only that much. If you have that qualities, success is 100% assured. And this is the facts. The Fortune 500 companies are into network marketing, and it is a proven successful format for promoting products. And tomorrow, this is going to be the way of business, because today all corporations are talking about one buzzword that's called as customer loyalty. Customer loyalty is peak when customer is given a share of the profit. A share of the profit to the customer can be given only in one business model, that is direct selling business model. So this is going to be the order of the day in coming years, friends. You believe, you don't believe, but this is going to happen. So wake up. Please do wake up. And today, worldwide, it's an $100 billion industry, and all these things you know. And if you see, the topest earner today is earning around somewhere around 2.6 million US dollars every month. 2.6 million US dollars every month. In Indian context, if it is converted in Indian rupees, it will amount to around 15 crores of Indian rupees every month. And you know, in Vestige, within 15-16 years, it has produced Asia's topest owner. And this is happening after 100 years in network marketing. And now you know what amount of days are there for Vestige, and it's all there for you. Now, how to choose this company? This is the very important thing, friends. To choose the company, first and foremost, that you have to go in is to become successful in network marketing. You should know what is the crux of the business. The crux of this business, as in Vestige, there's a beautiful phrase: in your success lies our success. So if you have to become successful in network marketing, your associates have to become successful. Then only your success is sustainable. If your associates are not becoming successful, your success is like building a tower or building an edifice on pack of cards. When you build an edifice on pack of cards, just by blowing it, it will fall down. Foundation is not there. The foundation has to be intact. Then the associates have to become successful. That is the base from which great edifices can be built. So if your associates have to be successful, you should think, who are my associates? The associates are those people who are average, lot of desires. Everybody wants everything. They want the car, they want the beautiful house, they want everything. But what you are going to try, see, we are doing a training. Just see how many people are there. This is what is the commitment they have. And this is what the people who come into this business. So with less commitment, but what they can do some small steps. So the small steps should lead them to a great success. Once they become, they've tasted the success, automatically leadership inside them bursts out. That is what is the way, friends. If small steps cannot make them successful, then getting into that company is no use. We have to think about it. Products, is it usable by everybody? Does it require specialized trainings? Or the products can itself take care of itself? Because friends, in any other company outside, if you see, you have to go and put your sweat onto it, and you have to make people to get into that. And when they are average, you're going to slog it out. But if it is there, then again you have to consider these things. These are the 6 things that we'll have to consider: the management, the products, the plan, the payout, the system and team. And you know the management. Started 17 years back. Let me take you through the training program that we attended with our MD sir in Chennai with our ground directors. Sochne ki himmat karo. To think we should dare. And in 2004, that's what, just think about it, friends. 2004, when this company started with nothing, with just 2 offices, and the 2 offices did not have in a commercial place, it was in a residential place. 2 offices in residential place with 6 employees, with just few products and only 6 distributors. And they had the guts, the courage to dream and put their vision as to grow into a global scale and to become a benchmark in network marketing. That is what is Sochne ki himmat karo. They had the dareness, even at that, like a seed of a banyan tree, they were able to think big, that we will become a company that the entire world, entire network marketing world will look up to us. And today it is happening. So this speaks about the volumes and volumes of our management. And their vision is to make people live a life of economic independence on their own terms. And today, this company has produced the maximum number of millionaires in this short span of time of 17 years. Short span luxury car owners. Just go through, friends, right from 2004, when the company started. If I have to climb Mount Everest, I cannot say I'll be going out walk every day. Every day I go walk for 5 kilometers, 6 kilometers, 10 kilometers. At the age of 64, right from my age of 15, 20, I have been walking every day. Not even a single day has been left. I have been walking 5 kilometers, 5 kilometers, 5 kilometers. At the age of 60, now I am seeing I am on the top of Everest. It can't happen, friends. If I have to walk to the mount of top of Everest, I have to prepare for it. Same way, if I have to grow into a global scale and to become a benchmark in network marketing, then I have to prepare for it. See, they started in 2004. In the year of 2006 itself, they got it certified as an ISO 9000 company. Because ISO 9000 is a system. What you tell and what you achieve, what you implement should be in terms. Today, I will do this thing in one way. Tomorrow, I will do it in another way. It will not take you nowhere. There should be a system for everything. And at the time of inception, their entire thing will be going on in improving the business, not in sitting systems. But this company had that system in place. In addition to their growth, you know the growth of this company, which is unparalleled. And in 2008, they bought about the agriculture product. In 2010, they introduced, they were into the healthcare, they introduced the Assure personal care range. See how step by step everything is happening. 2010, 2009, they started their own manufacturing unit. And 2010, they got the certificate, just not the manufacturing unit. It was certified in excellence in productivity, quality, and it was given the good manufacturing practices. And and today there are 4 manufacturing units, not 1. And in 2012, they started in UAE, and our MD was awarded the best CEO of the direct selling company by the Obtainer magazine. In 2014, the company was awarded the most admired brands of India, of Asia, not only India. Vestige was chosen as the most admired brand And 2016, Mr. Milan getting into collaboration with the best color cosmetic manufacturing company of the world, Ancarotti Italy, tying up with them and starting an organization in India, Ancarotti India Private Limited, and manufacturing color cosmetics. Just not some color cosmetics. Then in 2017, awarded the best company of the year by the International Brand Consulting of USA. And second year also it has been awarded. 2018, operations in Bahrain, awarded the best employer of North India, best nutraceutical company also. And 2019 again, best nutraceutical company. In 2019, we marked our presence in Bangladesh. Great places to work with along with. 2020, bestowed the direct selling awards. We were ranked at the 30th place. Oman and Saudi Arabia was started and bestowed. We were in the 36th place. Within 17 years, we are occupying 30th, 70th, 36th place, and there is no other Indian company that is there in the list of 100. We are in 36. There is no company in the list of 100. No Indian company. And there is no Indian company that has ventured out of India, direct selling companies. This is the growth. And the manufacturing units, all are ISO certified, GMP certified, have an R&D in India, have an R&D in Russia. And now we have a manufacturing unit in Nepal. A manufacturing unit is under construction in Bangladesh. See the vision of this company. So all these certificates in place so that this company becomes a benchmark in network marketing. Now in 2025, this is a vision to be in 50 countries, 100 million distributors. Now we have got more than 2.5 crores. 2.5 crores of distributors, and every month 3.5 lakh people joining. I'm going to show you the statistics. To touch at 20,000 Indian crores of rupees and to have at least 1 lakh car owners. Now there are 4,000. In another 5 years, company wants it to become one. It is going to happen. Because friends, 2009 when I joined, the entire company had a distributor base of 3.5 lakhs. Listen very carefully. 2009 when I joined, the entire company had a distributor base of 3.5 lakhs. In just 10 years, it has got to 2 crores. Same way, today 4,000. But in 5 years, yes, it can happen. Because in direct selling, everything grows on a geometric progression, not arithmetic progression. And these three stalwarts, rock solid foundation for stability, secured and future. And friends, see the growth. See the exemplary growth. You can't have any other company today in this world having this type of a growth, friends. 79% cumulative average growth rate. No company in the world has done this. And this is the turnover we are having. And great place to work with, not only on small organization, we have got the great place to work with from bigger organizations. That's what important thing. Great big place to, once again, great place to work. It's awarded commitment, great place to work, certified from large organizations like Tata, like Reliance. This company has competed with them and has taken a coveted prize. Yes, this is also a company of a great place to work with. That means the standards that they have set and the facilities that they are giving to the employees, that's what it is, friends. Taking you further, it's been awarded 5 times in Global 100 Awards, starting from 93, 63, in the row, and in all these 5 years, there is no company from India which is listing in the first 100, friends. In spite of COVID changes. and the company wants to be in the top 10. And now it has been ranked globally 7, the social media momentum. The entire world, our company is at not in 7, it is now in the 5th. It holds the rank of 5 globally in the international digital momentum ranking. That means to become top 10 is very, very near, friends. Is very, very near. And this is what comes in media about our company. And Atmanirbhar success plan has been introduced because, as I said, I'll just go back. Just see this. Management. Now go to the products. Now think and answer within yourself. Is there any company in this today world? Now, friends, let me show you one thing. Today we are in 7th of November. First was the closing date. 2nd of November, our business started. So 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 5 days have gone. 7th, today is a Sunday, a holiday for all our offices. So only 5 days has gone. Let me show you one thing. See, last month, you can see now here, last month, my point details were 33 lakhs. That means 1 lakh and little more per day. 5 days has gone. I am having the average 5.53. There can be no company in this world. No company in this world will have these figures. Getting the average of the last month's sales within 5 days. No company in this world. That means, big boss, hear me very carefully. People buy products. People buy products for 2 reasons. One reason, they love the product. Second reason, because they are into business. There are 2 reasons for buying products. One is they love the product. They need that product. Second, because I am into that business, I have to buy. If you take any network marketing, it is 80% they buy because they are in the business, not because they need the product. But here is a company where people buy products for need as well as in business, both clubbed together, which no company in the world is having. This is the solid foundation in which you can build an edifice, friends. That's what I'm trying to talk. And next comes the plan and payout. And this company has because if you have to have payout, understand one thing. When you have to get money, the output is money. What you want is money. Then the input should be money. What you give, this only comes back. So if you see, after the Atmanirbhar plan, the 2.10, 2.1, 2.20, let me show you. See, any binary or anything, let me show you now here. See, you will have to match pair. They will ask you that you have to do side volume here. In any other company, you have to do a pair matching. If you have to do a side volume here, then there you have to do a pair matching. And this pair matching, 50,000, 50,000. 50% BV, that means 50,000 BV means 1 lakh business on left and 1 lakh business on right. That means 2 lakhs. That's the minimum. But whereas in a year, a silver director has to do 2001 PV with Indian contest I'm speaking, 2001 PV into 18. 1:18 is the PV-BV ratio. That means 36,000 BV. 60% BV is the how much BV they give? They give for 100 rupees, 60% BV. That means 36,000 BV. For 36,000 BV, you have to buy products around 60,000. And same way for 32,000, you have to buy products around 54,000. That means with just a business of 1,14,000, you are going to get income here. But whereas you have to do 2 lakhs there, which is easy. And again, on top of that, when people love products, where it is easy, again easy. Amount is easy. Products are also attracting, which is more easy. And now, listen very carefully, friends. Now, what I'm going to tell is a very, very important point. Listen very, very carefully. Listen. Network marketing is in operation, is in vogue in the entire world for more than 100 years. There are thousands and thousands and thousands of companies involved into network marketing. That means lakhs and crores of networks are there. Every company will have thousands and lakhs of leaders, and every leader is having a network. And after analyzing all these networks, all statistics, what everybody and what has been found out is, for all the networks, business comes from the network. See, I have got 10 teams. Business is coming from 10 teams. But major business, listen very carefully, major business of around more than 60 to 80%. Got the figure? 60 to 80% will come from one network. I may have 15 networks, but what the statistics says is that for anybody, the major business will come from one network. That is more than 50%, 60 to 80%. There are very, very rare people for whom the business will be evenly coming. And those rare people are the people who know what is this business is. Very, very rare. But for anybody, there are 100 networks in a company. For 90 networks, the major business will come from one network. That means one team is called as the mother leg. And same way, let me come here. In binary, they will call it as power leg. In generation, they will call it as mother leg. That's it. So now here, if this leg is your power leg, and this may be giving you 6 lakhs, 7 lakhs, 8 lakhs, 10 lakhs. But if you do only 50,000, your income is only for the 50,000. You cannot take more than that. If you have to take more than that, you will have to do another 50,000. You do another 75,000, that 25,000 is waste. You have to again do 50,000. Then only you can take another 50,000 from here, 1 lakh from here. But see, friends, after Atmanirbhar, our June 2nd, 2021 announcement, now let me show you. See, you are a silver director. You are a silver director. So you have an LOB team. This person is giving LOB, and this person will also receiving LOB, and he is also getting LOB. And now after this, before the plan, you will only get LOB from him, that too minimum guarantee only. But after this, there is no need for any minimum guarantee. You get from this 2,000, and you also get from this 6,000 also. From this 6,000, only this person was able to get before, prior to June 2nd, 2021. Only the person who gives LOB, only that is direct, qualified applying can take from him. But today it's not like that. And now what happens? 2,000 plus 6,000, 8,000. 8,000 PV means in Indian rupees into 35. Let us put 30. 8,000 into 30. It is more than 1,08,000, 1,80,000. And here how much you are having? Just 54,000. From 54,000, you can now take 1,80,000. See here, 50,000, 50,000 only. But whereas here, and now if you do 1,05,000 and 35, there's no income. Leave that alone. Here, 1,80,000. Just 54,000, you can now enjoy it. Stop. Again, listen carefully. This A, there can be another team coming also with 6,000 PV. Then also you only need to again do 54,000 only. See the volume now. And even another leg can also break 6,000. I can tell you 16 legs, but minimum 3 legs. This person can become, you can be a silver, this person can be a star, and from all these 6,000 you can earn by just maintaining 1,801. Nowhere with this little effort, so much money. That is the most important. You have to give something, and what is the output? For the input, what is the output? If you calculate, Vestige is the only company where you get the most output. And it doesn't stop here. Look very carefully. This 1,801 will go to what? To the your other downlines whom are not into 11%. So this will get cumulated. So when this gets cumulated, after a few months, one more leg will break. Now imagine this happens. Now this only with 1,000, another 2,001 and 1,501. Either it was 1,801. Now this has become 2,001. Right? Now imagine when that person is becoming silver, bronze, he need not do 2,000. Let him do 1,200, 1,500. You do extra 500, another 1,500, same 1,000, 2,000. You are now getting from all this. How many 6,000 is there? 1, 2, 3, 6, 8, 6,000s are there. 8, 6,000 means 48,000, 50,000, another 2,000 also. So 50,000 into 30, it is around 15 lakhs of business. Again, you are only going to do 60,000 of business. Now tell me, friends, now go through this. Now go through this. Management, par excellence, products, par excellence, plan payout, par excellence, and you have a system here. Everything you have a system. And you have a great team with you. So with all these things, now we can zero in on that, yes, our career should be network marketing. And in that career, we'll have to choose Vestige. That's it, simple. Within a very short time, I have tried my best to give you the best selection, how to select the company. I think you have understood. If there is any questions, you can now ask me. I hand over back to the MC of this meeting. Thank you.